888-714-0333. 888-714-0333.
Passing knowledge to the future generation is key for us so that they can make it a better place to live. My name is Jeff Herrick. I'm from Roy, Utah. I went to ITT Tech to get my bachelor's degree in construction management. Education is a foundation for us as individuals, not only for us now, but also for generations to come. My hobbies are baseball, coach my kids' teams.
Especially children, he has a knack with them and you can keep your attention on him.
If you try to motivate a team, it's not individual, it's for all of us, and that we need to help one another and to learn.
We are educators helping people build a foundation for the rest of their lives. ITT Technical Institute, education for the future. To find out more, call 1-800-ITT-TECH or visit us on the web. Get an education that can help you reach your goals. ITT Tech has information on financial aid for those who qualify. Call 1-800-ITT-TECH.
Every year, Dodger School had a day where a few of the parents came in and talked about their careers. Career Day. This year was Darnell's turn. He was a little nervous.
Okay, Butters.